welcome back to Cantuti Plans. This is Carmen. If you are new here, welcome, and if you are returning, thank you so much. Today I'm going to be planning in my classic vertical happy planner for the week of May 15th through May 21st. And this week I'm going to be using a kit from Planner Envy, and I believe it's the Lavender Lilacs sticker set. So it's going to be this set here. Just so you guys can take a look here. It's very pretty. I'm still trying to stick to my monthly challenge that I set for myself of using purple stickers for all of my spreads. So I'm very excited to see how this one turns out. I love all the purples in here. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and get started. How are you guys doing this week? I hope you're doing well. I am doing pretty good. It is almost my birthday week. My birthday is actually going to be a week from this Friday, so that's exciting. Okay, so I think we're going to start with the bottom washi here, and I'm going to just run it from this end here all the way to the other end. Looks good. And then I don't have another one that looks like that one, but I do have this one, and I think I'm going to put this one actually across the top here. See how that looks. So like I said, I hope you guys are all doing well. I'm doing pretty good. It's been raining a lot here, so I'm pretty much ready for the rain to be over and doing all the fun spring things. If you guys like plan with me's, shopping hauls, and coloring with me's, please consider subscribing to my channel. I would love to have you guys be a part of my community here on YouTube. Okay, so I think that this was a little long, so I'm going to take my ruler and my X-Acto knife here, and we're going to go ahead and just make sure we get this extra part out of here. Let's see. All right, let's see if I made a good cut. Hopefully I did. All right, looks like I did. Okay, I'll move this over because I'm sure I will need that a little bit later as well. So we got this going here. Let's see. Next thing I do want to put before I forget is a reminder for trash and recycle pickup. So let's see if I can find some stickers for that. I think these would be it. All right, let's see here. Maybe even these two. I think these would be a better match, actually. This one over here, and then this one on Tuesday. Okay. Looks pretty good. Oh, and then I do have a weekend sticker, so I do want to add that to the weekend. I'll turn this over just to make sure I get it straight. Okay. Alrighty. Looking pretty good. I do want to get all my functionals in first before I forget something. So let's see. Now that we got that, I do want to add some functional boxes. So do I have any bills due this week? I don't think so. Actually, I think I do have a bill pay on the 18th, or a bill to pay on the 18th. So let me go ahead and get that. Okay. Oops. And just in case I didn't mention this, this is my catch-all planner. So basically all the plans go in here. Oh, and I do have a payday this Monday from my new job, which I am absolutely loving. Okay. And then I do need to get some laundry done eventually, but I'll put the laundry inside of a functional box. Okay, so where are my, so here I've got some checklists. I think I'm going to use these. These look interesting to me. So let's do these. I'm going to turn this over just so that I can line things up. I do line up things better when I have things upside down, believe it or not. As I say that, this goes down crooked, of course. Okay. Maybe I need to get it from this side, but I don't want to mess up the sticker. Okay. All right, let's try this again. Okay, much better. So we got that one. Then we're gonna do this one. I'm just kind of alternating these. Let's see. All right, so that's the left hand side. Got a checklist for every day. We're gonna keep going. We're gonna do one for Thursday and Friday, but we'll just do boxes for the weekend. Okay. And then let me turn this upside down so I can get this going in here. Okay. And then this checklist will go down at the bottom here. Okay. I don't like how these two are together, so I'm going to move the bill due up to the top. That way it gives this some space. And again, these stickers are from Planner Envy. This was from a previous box, I believe back in like 2022. Planner Envy is actually having a sale right now, so you can probably get lots of these stickers at a good price. Let's see. All right, so we've got our functionals, and we are going to put boxes here. So that's the next thing I'm looking at here. So I'm trying to figure out what kind of box I want in there. I do have these because I don't want really big boxes in there. So let's do, yeah, we'll do these two. That'll be fine. We'll do these two in there on the weekend. And do this one right here. Oop. Actually, I'm gonna wait on that for a second. I am gonna put these down, but I wanna put some of the full deco boxes, and I wanna do some layering. Okay, so we've got this, and then I'm gonna find my full boxes. Where are those? They're here, and then I do have some right here. So what I'm gonna do is, for example, take this box here, and we're going to put it right in here in the center. And then we're going to take some smaller boxes. I want colors that match that. That's kind of why I paused for a minute. Okay, so we're going to take these two. We'll take these two boxes, or this box here. And this other one can go there. This one can go here, about halfway or so. And this one can go on the other side about halfway. And we can do another box here, that's no problem. We'll do this one here. Okay, and then we can put this cute box there and another cute box at the top here. We'll do this one up here. A little off from here, but that's cool. Okay, so we got those going on. I know this looks like maybe a little busy on the weekend here, but it's okay. So we got these, we got this week. So instead of doing a gratitude section here, I think I'm going to use some of these Monday through Sunday boxes. Or actually, I can use this one for gratitude still, because I can put my daily gratitude sticker here and it's already labeled with the day here. So I'm going to do that, and then use this one too for things to remember throughout the week that don't have a specific day for them. I can do that. Okay. And then maybe put this sticker there in the middle. Sounds like an idea. I'm going to go ahead and do it. Okay. So let's get this one in there. And I am going to white out this week's list, because I am using a box for a list this week there. Okay. Now, I want a different shade of purple there though. I'm actually going to use this and put this right in here. And then the this week sticker. Okay. And I don't have any appointments or anything like that, so I don't have to put that down. Okay, so the next thing I want to do is deco this up. That, what I mean by that is get this all decorated. And see if this box fits there, which it does. Oop. Then I have a box there, so I'm not going to put another box over here. These are pretty. And then, let me see. Do I have any more pull boxes? Yes, I do. Got these. Super pretty. And then I can put another box in there. I want to use the decorative boxes first. And then we can go into the actual boxes. We can do this right here. Okay. And do this one right there. And then now that we did all of the decorative boxes, we can go in with some that have function in them. So for example, we can do this box here. Another place to write. Then we can do, let's see, we can do this one. Now, do I need another place to write here? I don't know, but if I need to write in there, I have space. And then let's see here. We can put the smaller boxes that I have left in here. So let's do that. Take these two that I have, put them in here, and this one here as well. Okay. And I think that's it, really. I mean, if I do need to put anything else, I have a lot more stickers left that I can use. I just didn't want to overpower the spread with all these stickers and then be like, oh, when am I going to fill this out? Okay. Now, the last thing I need to do is add my daily gratitude sticker here. All right, so I need to find that in here. These are all my black and white scripts. Let's see here. Where are they? I don't see. Oh, here they are. Okay. So here's my daily gratitude. I'm going to go ahead and close this. And then, then I put this across right here. All right, and I think that with that addition, we have finished my catch-all planner spread for the week of May 15th through the 21st. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys click the like, subscribe, and notification button so you can be notified of my future videos. Thank you so much for your support, and I can't wait to see you guys all in the next one. Bye!